galing, namamalikmata lang.
Do not disrespect me. Baka nakakalimutan mo kung sino ako.
Nandito na si Mom. Hindi na niya kayo masasaktan. Revenge is not the answer.
Sir, bakit hindi niyo ako hinayaang tapusin ng babaeng yun?
Revenge is for the weak. At hindi ako kasing hina ni Kiefer para gawin ang ginawa niya.
I'm not trying to force you to like me as your father, but please, learn the word respect.
What I want is Kiefer, Yuri, and their gang. You're going to die.
Urusay!
Mahirap hanapin ang mga kagaya ko. I'm one of a kind.
One day, nare-realize mo rin kung bakit ko nagawa lahat ng to.
Sasaktan ko lang din siya. Lalo, I would only scar JJ the way my father scarred us.